Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was just like many others, ambitious, eager, but unsure where to start in the world of cybersecurity. I knew this field was the future, but it felt like there was so much to learn, and threats were evolving every day. Every day there was a new cyber attack, and as time passed, I realized more and more that the industry was in need of true experts, people who could face the challenges and protect the systems. The challenge? Cyber threats evolve every second, and the greatest challenge professionals face today is staying ahead while proving their skills in a crowded, high-demand world. That's when I found InfoSec 4TC. Their Certified Cybersecurity Specialist Workshop wasn't just another online course. It was a turning point in my career, a real, practical training program that helped me bridge the gap between knowledge and action. In this workshop, it wasn't just about memorizing theories, it was about doing. I worked with real tools used by cybersecurity professionals, tools like Splunk, Nessus, and Wireshark, tools that are shaping the industry. And with every lab, every project, I gained the hands-on experience that employers trust. Whether you're transitioning from IT, upgrading your skills as a SOC analyst, or even just starting out, this workshop was designed for people like us, for those who want to understand how to defend networks, respond to incidents, and build strategies from the ground up. This workshop isn't just about knowing how to configure firewalls or set up SIEM systems. It's about thinking like a strategist, protecting what matters most, and knowing exactly how to respond when an attack happens. The program covers everything from risk assessments, network security, identity management, to threat intelligence and response tactics. And the best part? You're not alone on this journey. You have mentors and a community by your side, guiding you through the toughest challenges. With 60 hours of live or recorded training and over 20 guided labs, you're never left guessing. It's all designed to make you job ready from day one. After everything, the hard work, the late nights, you get more than just a certificate. You get the confidence to face any challenge head-on. This certification doesn't just open doors, it proves you're ready to secure the future. And once you're certified, the journey doesn't end there. You're now part of a global network of cybersecurity professionals. You get access to exclusive workshops, continuous updates, and the kind of community that keeps you ahead. So if you're ready to step into the future of cybersecurity, this is where it all starts. InfoSec 4TC's Certified Cybersecurity Specialist Workshop gave me the skills I needed to secure systems, lead teams, and become a trusted expert in the field. Are you ready to secure your future? Let's do this together. Enroll today and future-proof your career in cybersecurity. Subscribe now at infosec4tc.com.